Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to read and display dicom images using Python. Step 1. Install necessary libraries. You will need to install the pydicom library to work with dicom images. You can install it using pip. Step 2. Load and display dicom images. Here is an example code snippet that reads a dicom image and displays it using Python. Replace path/to/your/dicom/image.dcm with the actual path to your dicom image file. This code snippet reads the dicom image, extracts the pixel data, and displays it using matplotlib. Step 3. Additional processing, optional. You can perform additional processing on the dicom image data as needed. For example, you can apply image processing techniques, perform measurements, or extract metadata from the dicom file. That's it. You now know how to read and display dicom images using Python. Feel free to customize the code to suit your specific needs.